Hello friends, Manishka this side and you are watching Manishka's Art and Craft World. So welcome to my channel. So today I'm here with this new project which is a decoupage bottle. So isn't it looking good? So in this video we will be learning this tutorial, so hope you will be liking it. So before going further, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon. So let's move to our tutorial. So for making our today's project we require all these things. Some decoupage papers. Here we are not using decoupage tissue paper, we are using decoupage paper. So here I have already cut some motifs of flowers which we are going to use. Mod Podge glue, decor varnish, any stencil. If you are not having stencil you can use your stamps too. If you are not having stamps then you can skip this. Sponge, glass bottle which we are going to decorate today. Empty bowl and these three acrylic colors, yellow, henna green and black color, because we are going to mix these two colors in this bowl, so we will be able to give mixed media effect to our project. So let's get started. So in starting here I'm taking these two colors and I'm going to mix these because I want a little light shade of green, henna green. So now we have made this paste and it is totally looking like dry henna color. So now I'm going to apply this color on a bottle using sponge. Here I'm using this sponge. So here I'm starting from the bottom part like that. You have to dab. Dabbing it like that. You have to do same with this whole bottle. Now let it dry for some time so that we will be able to color the upper part of this bottle. Like we have almost done, but we have to do color at here also. So let it dry for some time. As it is dried now, so here I am completing the upper part of this. And then it will get dry. After that, we will do the second coat of this color. If we will give the second coat, then it will give totally finished look to our project. And if you are liking this video, then please do hit like button and go and subscribe our channel. If you haven't subscribed it yet, then please go and subscribe it, so you will be able to get all the notifications. You will not miss any update. Yep, and we will feel so blessed that people are liking our work. So now here I have started the second coat from here, and we will give the second coat this part after doing this. You can see the finishing here and here. So we need this finishing. So I have completed the second coat also. So now it is looking like this. So now what we have to do, here I'm taking the these cutouts, flower motifs, which I have already cut from the decoupage paper. So now we are going to apply these motifs on this bottle. So first we have to decide where you want to apply, like that. And then we have to take our Mod Podge glue, and where you want to apply, you have to apply first this glue, and then you have to spread with the help of your brush, and then you will be able to paste this easily. As we have attached these motifs on this bottle, so now what we have to do, we have to apply Mod Podge glue on all over this bottle. So, and one more thing, when you are making any project of decoupage, or if you are making this project of a bottle, then you have to remember one thing, then you have to make totally dry this color, and then you have to pick it up, otherwise it will come out. So you have to make sure that your bottle get totally dry, and then you have to pick it, and then you have to attach these motifs. So now I'm going to apply decoupage glue, Mod Podge glue on all over this bottle. So I have applied the Mod Podge glue on all over the bottle. So now let it dry for some time, and then we will do another thing. As it is totally dry now, so now I'm going to give it a little mixed media effect using my black acrylic color and this sponge. So first I will give little dry effect to this, and using this sponge. Here I'm taking little black acrylic color in this sponge, like that, and I'm making it totally dry, like that, and then I will just rub it like that, as you can see. Here I have already done little, like I'm giving like that, you can see, and using it on the pattern paper also, so that it will not look different. So I will give this effect this half of the bottle, and then the upper one I will cover with the stencil. Like here I have given little dark strokes, so here I am also giving the dark strokes at somewhere, like that. If you don't like these dark strokes, then you can leave this process. as it is completed now and it is dried also. So I have skipped the stencil part which I have said before because I was liking this effect, so I have done this on all over the bottle. So now in last what we have to do, we have to cover this whole bottle with the varnish. So you can use any varnish which you are having. You can use wooden varnish also. Here I am using decor varnish. So we have to give double coat. So first here I am giving the first coat to this. We have to do this on all over the bottle. So we have completed the last part of our project, which was the varnishing part of this project. So now our project has been completed for today. Hope you people liked it. If you people like this video and tutorial, then please go and subscribe our channel and do hit the like button for this beautiful decoupage bottle. So we will meet soon. Till then, bye bye.